Welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this video we are going to create this. First create a new composition, the entry name it as pre-final. I am using the same 1920 in the 1080 resolution, 30 frames per second. Our project duration is 5 seconds. Now create a new text layer and then enter your text. Now place it at the center. Now select the shape tool and change the stroke value to 0 and fill color to black. Now draw a rectangle layer. Sure the rectangle layer covers the half of the text. Now change the track mate value to alpha mate. Now select the two layers and make a duplicate of it. And move the top shape layer at the second off. Now select the bottom layer and then pre-compose it. And pre-compose the top layer. Now open the bottom layer and then select the shape layer. Press P to open position. Now go to 1 second position and then add a keyframe. Now come back to 0 frames position and change the Y position value. Now select the both keyframes, then right click on it, then Easy Ease. Now turn to graph editor and change the graph like this. Now open the top layer, select the shape layer, then press P to open position, go to 1 second position and then add a keyframe. Go to 0 frames position and then change the Y position value. Select the keyframes, then right click on it, Easy Ease. Now turn to graph editor and change the graph like this. Now come back to the main comp. Now select the both layers, then press P to open position, then go to 2 second position and change the Y position value of bottom layer to 570 and Y position value of top layer to 510. Now go to 3 second position, then press P to open position. Now add a keyframe. Go to 2 second position and change the Y position value to 540. Now create a new text layer and then enter your second text. Now change the text size to 36. And change the tracking value to 1000. Now place it at the center. Now select the shape tool. And then mask the text layer. Now change the track mate value to alpha mate. Then expand the rectangle path. Now go to 3-second position and then add a keyframe. Now come back to 2-second position and change the Y size value to 0. Now select the pen tool and then draw the rectangle like this. Now change the stroke value to 5 and then fill color to none. Now expand the shape layer, then add a trim paths. Expand the trim paths and change the N value to 0, add a keyframe, then go to 1-second position, change the N value to 100. Now duplicate the layer. And then change the rotation value to 180. Now our animation is look like this. Now select the 2 box layers, then press P to open position. Now go to 2-second position and then add a keyframe. Now go to 3-second position Now change the Y position value of top layer to 569. Change the Y position value of bottom layer to 510. Now select all keyframes, then right click on it, easy ease. Now turn to graph editor and change the graph like this. Repeat this process for all keyframes. Now our animation is look like this. Now select the pen tool and then add a strip like this. Now expand the shape layer. Change the line cap to round cap. Now add a trim paths. Now go to 1 second 25 frames position. Change the end value to 0. Add a keyframe. Now move 7 frames forward. Now change the end value to 100 and then add a keyframe on start. Now move another 7 frames forward. Change the start value to 100. Now select all keyframes, right click on it, easy ease, and change the graph like this. Now make a duplicate of it and then reduce the scale value. Now place the strip in this position. Now select the shape layers, then right click on it, pre-compose, then rename it as strips. Now place the strip at this position. Now make a duplicate of it. Press R to open rotations and change the rotation value to 180. Now place the strip at this position. Now create another new composition, then rename it as final and change the duration value to 8 seconds. Now place the pre-final comp in the timeline, make a duplicate of it, then right click on it, go to time reverse layers. Now our animation is completed. You can download this template from the link in the description. Subscribe for more animation videos.